Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting for me. I placed an order with the Glitter Fairy. I couldn't choose, I mean there's hundreds of glitters on there and I wanted them all, but that would have been very expensive. So I thought that I would order I think it was the diamond subscription. Yeah, I think it was the diamond subscription. So I got this little baby this morning. I cut it open, but I haven't looked inside. Oh my god, there's loads. Oh my goodness, how exciting. So I have my invoice. Let me cover my address. So this is the VIP subscription revamped for summer 2019, VIP Diamond Glitter Fairy UK. Thank you for your order. Have a super sparkly day. I will indeed. Okay, oh gosh, what do I go for? Let's go with this one. Oh my god. Zanti? Is it Zanti? Correct me if I'm wrong, but Zanti, I don't know. Oh, okay, so let me, there's passwords on this. Okay, so this is the first pack. So design pack 1. Oh, okay. So with the password, you can go onto the Glitter Fairies the Glitter Fairies website and put in the password, and then there will be some videos or a video of showing you a design using all these glitters, which I think is a brilliant idea. How exciting! Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is fine, super fine mix. Oh my goodness. It's like a purple, and I can see like red and some gold. That is beautiful. Look how sparkly that is. Oh my god. Beautiful. I love that. Then Jupiter. Oh, this is stunning. This is it's got gold, there's flecks of blue and green. Iridescent. Oh my goodness. Oh look. I didn't even notice that. The Glitter Fairy. How cute. Look. Oh, that's stunning. And then champagne pigment. Oh. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. I'm scared to open it. I can't even open it. Oh, we'll go. I'm so scared. Oh wow. That's what it looks like in the lid. That is stunning. Sort of like a rose gold. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. Look at that on my fingers. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited to play with that. Let me just stick that there. Okay, now this is design pack 2. And oh gosh, that Xanthi, not sure. Oh my god, and there's another pigment. How exciting. Okay, this is Earth. Oh wow. So this is a green glitter and it's got some iridescent hexagons in there. Oh, lovely. Oh, and some circles as well. Look at that. Beaut. And then Xanthi. Please correct me. I'm sure one of you will anyway. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Oh, okay, so that's a chameleon pigment. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's stunning. How beautiful. Oh, I love that. Wow. So yeah, I've done 2 packs and I am so happy with my purchase. And I'm glad it's a monthly thing because you're not going to know what you're going to get each month. So exciting. It's like my glitter fix each month. But you know, I'll buy glitter and then I'll buy more glitter. And then I think, oh, I've got enough glitter. And then in the middle of the night, I order more glitter. It's like, I can't help myself. I cannot help myself. Okay, so this is design 3. And this is candy. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a bit of sweetie in there? Okay, so it's candy. It's just a bit of netting. I'm very afraid to use that. So that's cute. Oh, look at that. And I've got some copper leaf. Beaut. And then mix 1. This is stunning. It's got some orange, purple, some gold. Oh, these are just so, oh my goodness, look at that. Stunning. Look at the sparkle on that bad boy. Oh my god. I want to bath in it. So beautiful. Okay, and then mix 2. And you can see some of the orange in there. They go perfectly together. Oh, it's stunning. These are some iridescent circles. Some pinks. Orange. Oh, there's a little love heart in there. Oh, how adorable. Oh, can you see that? Hang on. And it's not like a normal love heart. It's got like a little tail. Oh, how adorable. beautiful. I am so excited to do some videos. So excited. Okay, let's just stick that there. And then lastly is white. So we have some iridescent, oh, there's netting. Oh, that would look beautiful. Can you see the gorgeous? That would be lovely encapsulated in a nail. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Love that. I've never seen anything like that. I love it a lot. Okay, and then mint. So these are smiley faces with dots. Oh, okay, it's the cutouts, you know, the mouth and the eyes. See there? It's the eyes and the mouth there. That is really pretty. I'm not sure I'm going to use it though, but I will definitely look on the website and see what amazing design. Yeah, let's see what's on the website. I'm sure I'll find something to be very inspired. Okay, I'm so childish. Uranus. Okay, let's mix this up a bit. Okay, so this is baby blue, fine glitter with some baby blue and dark blue. Yeah, some circles and some hexagons. That's really beautiful. Oh, I love everything. Wow. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I'm going to finish this video and jump on the Glitter Fairies website and see what amazing designs she's done. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a great day. Lots of love. Mwah. Bye.